combined effect of force and area on which it acts, that is called as a pressure. Okay, by the quantity is called as a pressure. Okay, so pressure is equal to force upon area. This is very important. P is equal to F upon A. You will see the numericals based upon this. Okay, so more will be the force, the lesser will be the area, the force applied will be more. Okay, the pressure applied will be more. For example, if the area is less, the force applied will be more, the pressure will be more. Okay, pressure is directly proportional to force, but it is inversely proportional to area. For example, if area increases, pressure decreases. Area decreases, pressure increases. Okay, so for example, here it is given for a given force, larger the area of contact, lesser the pressure. The fixed area of contact means lesser the area of contact, the pressure exerted will be more. For example, here an example is given, numerical is given. A girl weighing 50 kg is standing on a pencil heel, having area of cross section this one. An elephant weighing 2000 kgs, standing on a cross section area 250 centimeter square. So we have to find which one is exerting more pressure. So first of all, we will find the girl's A. Okay, so mass is 50 kg of a girl, force is 50 kilogram, okay, kgf, or you can say Newton. Okay, so that we have to convert it into Newton. We will multiply it by 10, it will be 500 Newton. Okay, so area of cross section 2 it is in centimeter square, we have to find it in meter square. Okay, so then we will apply the formula, pressure is equal to force upon area, then we will get answer this much. Okay, on the same hand, on the other hand, we will see the elephants, same by the same thing. Firstly we will convert it into Newton, then we will convert centimeter square into meter square, then the same force, we will apply the formula, pressure is equal to force upon area, then we will see it will be 2 lakh Newton meter square. Okay, so we have to find the ratio, then that means we will compare this. Okay, so after dividing we will get that 12.5. the girl is applying pressure 12.5 more than the pressure of an elephant. Why? Because the area of cross section is less than the foot of the elephant. Okay, so here some examples are given. Okay, so see the example, most probably in the case of reasoning they are asking you, the skiers use a flat long sky to slide on snow. Why? Because the large the area, lesser will be the pressure on snow, they will not sink it inside. Okay, so they are telling when the sledges are not provided with the wheels. Why it is not provided? Because